Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. Basics of sheet metal. Exercise number 2. First, select the new part. Now pick front plane for sketching. Now select the rectangle command and draw a rectangle from the origin. Specify the dimensions using smart dimension command. Give the dimensions as referred in the manual. Now in sheet metal, select base flange, then specify sheet metal parameters. Now select the edge flange and draw the edge flange from the edges of the base flange. Specify the direction of extrusion of the flange. Specify the bend radius as per the manual. Also the dimension of extrusion from the base flange. Again use edge flange option. Now form an edge flange from the edge of the base flange in opposite direction to that of the previous edge flange. Again similarly specify the bend radius and also the dimension of extrusion from the base. Now again use edge flange command to create edge flange from the edge of the previous end of the edge flange. Specify the direction of extrusion and also give the bend radius and the dimension of extrusion as in previous edge flanges. Now select one face of the edge flange and give sketch. Now select the circle command and draw a circle over the face of the edge flange. Specify its dimensions using smart dimension command. Give the dimensions in vertical and horizontal direction from the face edges of the edge flange. Now select the origin and the centers of both the circles and give the relation horizontal. Now select the slot command and make a slot over the face of the base flange. Draw the slot accordingly on the face of the base flange as given in the manual. Specify its dimension using smart dimension command. Give suitable dimensions as per the manual. Once the suitable dimensions are given, now in features select extrude cut. Specify the end condition of the extrusion and give OK. Now select fillet command and make a fillet at the corners of the edge flange. Specify the radius of the fillet at given in the manual. Once the entities are selected, now select OK. Now select the top face of the edge flange and give sketch. Draw a slot over the face using slot command. Specify its dimensions using smart dimension command. Give all those dimensions as given in the manual. Now trim the unwanted entities using trim command. Now offset the sketch by giving suitable dimension from the edge of the edge flange. Once the required projections are made, now in features select extrude cut. Give end condition, then give OK. Now, in order to measure the total amount of the sheets which are required to produce this component, select flatten command to measure its dimensions. Once the dimensions are measured, bring back to the original structure. That's it. Our sheet metal is done.